a lot of industries are adopting this technology.
What it does is it allows us to optimize our design.
For visualizing projects with virtual reality kits in most of our offices.
Clients are super excited and asking us if they can come to SNC-Lavalin and use the technology and see how it could benefit their projects and their job sites.
The benefits of AR and VR actually allow us to build a virtual environment in which we bring in all the different individual engineering systems all under one roof.
The engineers can collaborate to go through the model to see what updates have been done.
What it does is it allows us to optimize our design from a constructability standpoint. We recently had a mandate from one of our major clients. They asked us to do the design and engineering for the replacement of the overhead cranes that they had. And essentially we took this 3D modeling and put it inside the VR environment. So we had a lot of comments, and there was also one person who mentioned that there was actually some equipment inside the power plant that was actually obstructing the view. And we applied the changes to the model. So there's a perfect example of how we used the AR, VR technology to optimize the design.
Our primary usage of virtual reality has been around the design and modification review, where we have used it to help visualize greenfield and brownfield designs. We've also used it for risk workshops and hazard studies. We also employ it for training with SNC-Lavalin's GTS team.
Global Training and Simulations, or GTS, is part of the Digital Solutions Group. We use virtual and augmented reality to train operations and maintenance staff.
As part of our infrastructure sector, we've adopted virtual reality and augmented reality for collaboration through technology. It quickly creates for us an immersive experience, teleporting us into our design and giving us that appreciation of the design space.
In nuclear, we're using virtual reality technology for several purposes. To train nuclear workers for projects where access is limited, for nuclear power plant design, and even for public relation purposes to demystify what a nuclear reactor really is.
Within M&M, we're using AR and VR to improve our engineering efficiencies. We're showing clients technology, and that's much different than working on drawings or 2D representations of a plant. They're fully immersed and they understand what the issues are, and they can come up with solutions much more efficiently.
Our customers are at the heart of what we do. We're using virtual reality now, and it has become a business-as-usual tool which allows multiple users from around the globe to collaborate within the same virtual environment.
So I'd like to see this applied at a global scale in our engineering.
I think the key to making it a success is continue to experiment. When a technology does work, we have to embrace it and use it on multiple projects.